Hey guys, and again welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Alok Pandey, and today I'll be solving my next question on Leetcode. This is easy problem, very easy problem. Problem number 326, power of 3. So let's get started without wasting any time, guys. And very firstly, as usual, I'll be reading the question, I'll be explaining the approach, and after that I'll be solving this question in Java language because this is Java series. So let's get started. Here it is given an integer n, return true if it is a power of 3, otherwise return false. An integer n is a power of 3 if there exists an integer x such that n ki power 3, n equals to 3x. Okay, so what does it means? After reading the question, what is the very brute force approach is, like, we have to check the power of 3. What is the power of 3? Suppose here in example number 1, n equals to 27. 27 is the power of 3. Yes, we know. 3 ki power 3, 27. 3 3 ja 9, 9 3 ja 27. So in this case we have to just check the power of 3. Okay. And in example number 2, n is equals to 0. 0. Not making any sense, so that's why it is false. In this case, in example number 1, it is true because it is power of 3. In example number 3 also, minus -1, no, it is not power of 3, that's why it is false. So here I have written in the comments. See, suppose I'm taking two examples. I have this number 27 and I have 10. Okay, I have 10. So if I will divide 27 by 3, I'll get 9. Okay, 9 3 ja 27. I'll get 9 as my quotient, and in my remainder I'll get 0. Okay, in that case, further I will divide my quotient with 3. 9 divided by 3, again it is 3. Okay, cool. Again further I will divide it. 3 divided by 3, we are getting 1. And in that case also our quotient, our remainder is 0. So n has reduced to 1. What does it mean? It means, like, now our remainder is 1. So in our code we'll write a condition in that it will check if our quotient is less than 3. In that case we do not have to check it further or divide it further. In that case we have to return, like, whether it is true or false. Same in example here in 10 divided by 3, 10 divided by 3, 3 3 is 9. After that in remainder we are getting 1, that's why it is false. So let's get started for the code. Very firstly, I'll write a condition while n is greater than while n is greater than 3, n is greater than and equal to greater than equal to 3, curly braces will start. If n modulo 3, we'll check here, remainder is not equal to 0, in that case it will return false, and in that case return false, but here it will do n is equals to n divided by 3. In another case, here it will return n is equals to 1. Let's check the code. This is very short code, guys. Okay, here is error, n equals to n divided by 3. Okay, here I'll remove here my curly braces. I'll do it. That case return false. Here it will be n equals to n divided by 3. Let's check now. Return बाहर होगा. Control X, Control V. Yeah, this is correct. So n is 27, it is true. In case 2 and in our case 3, our n is -1, it is false. Let's submit and check. It is 88.95% beats, not bad guys. And the time complexity for this code is big O of log n ki power 3. Okay, so with this I have solved, I guess 41 or 42. With this I have solved 43 questions on my Leetcode guys, and my max streak is 29. So with this I'm just closing this video. So मिलते हैं next video में, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you really like my efforts. So stay tuned.